Have you ever been traveling on a hot day and noticed what looks like water on the road ahead, but when you get closer, it suddenly disappears? When there was no water there, what did you actually see? This mysterious phenomenon is called a mirage. Hi, my name is Naila Sulaiman, and today I will be explaining to you what mirage is, how it forms, and why it happens in nature.
What is mirage?
A mirage is an optical illusion that happens when light bends while traveling through layers of air with different temperatures. Normally, light travels in a straight line, but when light moves through air with different temperatures and densities, it bends. This bending of light is called refraction. Because of this bending, our eyes perceive images that are not actually located where they appear, creating the illusion of water or reflection.
How a mirage forms?
On a hot day, the land heats the layers of air closer to it. However, as we move higher, the layers of air get relatively cooler. Thus, the hot lower layers of air near the ground form rarer media. Cold upper layers form denser media. Now, when the light comes from the sky travels from denser to rarer media, it bends more and more until it exceeds the critical angle, the angle beyond which light gets reflected. This phenomenon is called total internal reflection. When this reflected light reaches our eyes trace it backwards as a straight line. Hence, the reflection of blue sky appears on the ground. Our brain thinks that there is water, thus causing a mirage. Did you know that the mirage has two types? Inferior and superior. Inferior mirage. This is the most common type. It happens when the ground is very hot and the air near the ground is much hotter than the air above it. Light bends upward, creating the illusion of water on the ground. Superior mirage. This happens when the air near the ground is colder than the air above it. Light bends downward, making objects appear higher than their actual position. In conclusion, mirage is an optical illusion caused by the bending of light due to the temperature differences in the air. This process, called refraction, can make us see water on roads or objects floating in the distance. Mirage shows us how fascinating and sometimes misleading light can be in nature.